Bell, the largest meat brand in Switzerland, launched a new campaign for their barbecue line in summer of 2009. Our traditional campaign reflected hierarchy, rules, and the secret language of the grill. But we needed to adapt it into direct promotional communication. Grilling is more than sausage, chicken, and beef. It is an interactive event. How do we take the interactive nature of the grill straight to the people? Switzerland has the highest iPhone density worldwide. So we created an iPhone application that could mirror the grilling experience. The concept is simple. Grill a sausage on your iPhone. The application features a mock grill with a sausage. By blowing into the microphone, you can control the heat of the grill coals. The goal is to have a perfectly grilled sausage that you can send to your friends. Through the innovative use of new media, we were able to create a new channel of direct communication for the brand. With the application, we are able to connect, update, and activate our audience anytime, anywhere. Ultimately driving continued interaction and engagement with the Bell brand.